This ledge he's coming up.
Before you even get started,
As big as his Jeep.
once you back up more, come in higher over here. Driver tires up here. Get a straighter shot.
Stay off that big rock right there.
You can skirt that one, and then you're gonna have to climb this. Driver. Yep.
Yeah, Max.
Yeah, see.
Oh shit.
See where your back tire is?
Yeah.
You really gotta use your back tire
On this side?
this way further. I think you're gonna dip out. I think you're in the same spot he was in. I think you're gonna dip out on the rear diff right there. Maybe try it again. Try to get your back tire rubbing that one. Yeah, get your back tire over your way. There you go.
Some fantastic departure angle, Danny.
Keep going.
It's got no rear end on that thing. You're good, you're good.
Okay. So go ahead, swing your front tire up high over that. Bring it high this way. Okay, just like that. Yep. Okay, come on up. Driver. Yeah, try that. Driver and up. Yeah. Your tire's in that hole. Your back tire's got to be rubbing that thing.
Don't be afraid of that big hole on the driver's side, Danny. Get right up in there.
There you go. Yeah. Now you got to get straightened up a little bit.
Yeah, Max, get it, buddy.
Okay, passenger. Keep going back. Okay, that's probably far enough.
I don't know what's behind me, so.
Didn't sound like it's gonna move though. Yeah.
There he goes.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go.
So where do I go after I get up?
Keep that line. Once you start coming off that, go passenger, then you're gonna have to go driver again. There you go. Straight up, right there for a minute. Straight. Passenger. Just a little bit, right there. Come on up. Now keep that back tire tight to that rock. Now passenger.
Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Put your arm in the Jeep, Danny.
Okay. Hard driver and back.
Don't try to catch your Jeep. Good job, Danny.
There you go. Stop.
Yeah, stop.
Okay. Hard passenger. Okay, up easy.
Justin is a gangster spotter. Good thing we have this guy.
Up easy. Driver. Get up. Driver.
Driver. Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, my gas can fell off?
Yeah.
I was like, I smell fuel. So
No.
I'm worried.
Let's see. Try coming forward.
With that big ass rock right there?
Yeah. You're gonna bump it and it's gonna push you this way. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Okay. Okay, fasten her back a little. Not too far. We don't want to put you back in the hole. Hard passenger. Oh,
Stop.
oh. Hard driver. You got both lockers in right now? Yeah. Get the front out.
Yeah, that's brand new stuff. Lock her off, lock her on, get up it.
Okay, stop her back. Yeah, be close. Get your gas can, see if she goes down.
Stop, stay, stop, stop, stop. All right, now you're good to go back.
But don't drive down the hole.
Yeah, only a couple feet. Stop.
Don't lock her out. Hard back. Don't lock her back. Still fucking close. Come off her in. Now you're going in that same fucking hole. Hard passenger, we're going to come back a little further. We're going to be fighting with danger here.
Living on the edge, people.
Don't lock her out, go hard passenger. Good. Boom. 3 more inches.
You can do it, Danny.
Good.
You got the right idea.
Front locker in, and you got it. Yeah, a little momentum, you got it.
Yes.